Morning, my dear students. Now, in previous class, we have discussed what know the probability. So today we are going to discuss what know in probability, that is binomial distribution. See here, according to the statement of binomial distribution, if P is the probability of success and Q is the probability of failure, then the probability of X successes out of n trials is given by P of X, that is equal to NCX P power of X into what now Q power of n minus X. This is what now the statement of the binomial distribution. Now, here what you have to remember, P plus Q equal to 1. So, always success plus failure, always that is equal to 1. So, Q equal to this we can write 1 minus of P. The next point is the binomial distribution of mean value. Mu equal to always that is NP, variance is NPQ, standard deviation is what now root of P, or that is root of NPQ. So, these points you have to remember in what now the binomial distribution. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss what now the example. When a coin is tossed 4 times, find the probability of getting first one exactly 1 head, second one at most 3 heads, third one at least 2 heads. Yes, this is what now the example. Now see here, when a coin is tossed 4 times, so here that means n is equal to, here it is 4. Now if you take only one time, then probability of head actually we are getting 1 upon 2, because the favorable case divided by what now the number of possibilities. When a coin is tossed one time, we are getting what now the number of possibilities are 2. If you taken only head means that it will become 1. So probability of one time of head, so that it will become 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2, that is equal to what now 0.5. Yes. Then Q is equal to, so 1 minus P, because success plus failure always that is equal to 1. Now Q is equal to 1 minus of P. So 1 minus 0.5 means 0.5 only. Now n is already as given, that is 4. Yes, then by using binomial distribution, so P of X that is equal to NCX P power X into Q power of n minus X. Yes, this is by using what now the statement of binomial distribution. Okay. Yes. Then next he has asked what now first one exactly 1 head. So exactly 1 head means put X equal to 1. Now n already we know 4. So this it will become 4C1. P value is also we know 0.5. Q value is also what now 0.5. Whole raised to n is 4. 4 minus 1 means what we get now, that is 3. Now you can solve this, then you will get what now 0.25. The next point is how to find this 4C1. By using the formula NCR, that is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into what now r factorial. So this formula you have to apply, then you will get what now 4C1 value. So 4C1 value is, that is 4 only. Now use the calci and you have to calculate this part, then you will get 0.25. Second part is at most 3 heads. So at most 3 heads means you are going to take it x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we can substitute what now in this formula x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, if you put x equal to 0, then we get 4C0, 0.5 raised to 0, 0.5 whole raised to 4. Because 4 minus 0 is 4. Plus, put x equal to 1. 4C1, 0.5 raised to 1, 0.5 whole raised to what now? 4 minus 1 means that is 3. Plus, put x equal to 2. 4C2, 0.5 square, 0.5, 4 minus 2 is 2. Plus, put x equal to 3, 4C3, 0.5 raised to 3 and 0.5 only. Because 4 minus of 3, that value should be 1. Yes. Then use the calci and you have to calculate this part. Now see here in this example, 0.5 raised to 4 is taken common. So here also 0.5 raised to 1 into 0.5 raised to 3 means 3 plus 1 is 4. 0.5 square, 0.5 square, 0.5 raised to 4. Plus 0.5 raised to 3 into 1 means 0.5 raised to 4. Yes, taken common. Next point is 4C0 value is 1. 4C1 value is 4. 4C2 value is 6. Then 4C3 value is, that is 4. Now use the calci and you have to calculate this part, then you will get 0.9375. Then lastly, probability at least 2 heads. Now probability of at least 2 heads means 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 plus x equal to 1. That means x equal to 0, first you can substitute in this equation. So we get 4c0, what now? 4c0 and 0.5 raised to 0 and q to the power of 4 only. Now we can solve. Then you get what now? 0.5 raised to 4 only, because that value is x equal to 0 you have taken. Next, put x equal to 1, 4c1, 0.5 raised to 3. Now you can calculate this part by using calci and subtract this one with 1. Then you get 0.6875.